Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to use dark mode on iPhone 11. This method works well on any iPhone running on iOS 13. To enable dark mode, go to Control Center. Now 3D touch or haptic touch or long touch on the brightness slider. You will see in the bottom that says dark mode is off if you are in light mode. You can switch between dark and light mode by tapping on it. Now let us enable the dark mode. Let us go to the home page. As you can see, when you enable dark mode, even wallpaper and dock also changes to little dark. Now let us have a quick look into other apps to see how they look in dark mode. Dialer, Messages, Safari browser, Settings, App Store, Calendar, Weather, Clock. Instagram also has dark mode support. When you are in dark mode, Instagram also uses dark mode. If you are in light mode, it will also be in light mode. You have the option to switch to dark mode automatically based on your preset timings. For that, go to Settings, Display and Brightness. If you enable automatic, you will get two options here. One is sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. In the custom schedule, you can schedule the time preference to switch between the modes. Here, you need to select the start time for light appearance and here for the dark appearance. Based on your preference, it will change the modes. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you find this video useful.